School supply tools for learning. Join me, let's learn some essential tools for learning in schools. Book, notebook, pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scissors, color pencils, crayons, glue, tape, classroom, desk, chair, table, whiteboard, blackboard, marker, chalk, board cleaner, projector, computer, laptop, tablet, speaker, screen, clock, fan, air conditioner, window, door, bookshelf, cupboard, backpack, tissue, hand sanitizer, trash bin, extension cord, USB drive, calculator, science kit, microscope, safety goggles, lab coat, music instruments, paint, paint, brush, art paper, flashcards, poster, map, globe, timer, exam, test, homework, attendance sheet, name tag, uniform, lunchbox, water bottle, pencil case, sticky notes, paper, binder, folder, paper clip, stapler, ruler, highlighter, marker pen, dictionary,